The Tryten Mac Mini Security Mount is a simple, reliable security bracket created to provide undefeatable security and provide peace of mind for organizations across the globe. Designed and manufactured in North America, the Mac Mini Security Mount is uncompromising in form and function and trusted by industry leaders. The Mac Mini Security Mount provides simple security to organizations using Mac Minis in a variety of environments and applications, including healthcare, retail, corporate, government, and education. The Mac Mini Security Mount includes unrestricted access to the device's power button and important onboard USB, HDMI, and Ethernet ports. Airflow vent ensures the device never overheats. Designed with device drop protection, unhindered Wi-Fi antenna alignment, powder-coated Mac Silver premium-grade aluminum, integrated shape memory which is extremely pry-resistant, undefeated anti-pick high-security lock and 2 keys, supports flat surface mounting or 75mm VESA mount, machine screws for VESA or monitor mounting. Lock keying options include keyed differently, master keyed. Compatible accessories include master key and tether cable lock. Experience the Tryten Mac Mini Security Mount today at Tryten.com.